Ladies, 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 you can see this looks like dirty water. This was made specially for the ladies. Ask the ladies around if they know this water. Ask at the multi shops if they know this water. With these two kind of water, you go straight to multi shop, ask for Gogo Tshitshi, ask for Itshitshi, then put with water, rinse yourself down there. Your men will never see anyone else. We're helping ladies. We're doing this for the ladies because men are going around. We're trying to hold our men inside our household. Please go to multi shops, ladies. This is not clear, I know. This is Gogo Tshitshi. This is Itshitshi. With these two, you never go wrong. Ask me. All the best, ladies. Until my next upload. Thank you. Bye.